Should the man accused of raping a Virginia Wesleyan college student be on the lawsuit against the school?
Believe it or not, the victim says no. Tonight, only on 10, Andy Fox has the court papers filed by the school that essentially say if the school is being sued, then the suspect should be sued too. Andy, what's this all about?
Basically, they're going after the school, and they don't want the school to then go after the suspect because he doesn't have any money to begin with. In these court papers, that will soon be filed in Norfolk, the attorney for the college says they are surprised the victim has not filed a civil lawsuit against the man known as Robert Rowe, and is asking the court to dismiss Virginia Wesleyan's suit against him. Jane Doe alleges Virginia Wesleyan College created an atmosphere that led to her rape in August 2012 when she first arrived on campus. Her attorney, Jonathan Halprin.
The peer advisor was serving alcohol to freshman girls, and the campus security checked in, smiled, waved at everybody, and didn't do anything. And then they left, allowing the party to continue. So had they interceded as they should have, she wouldn't have been drugged.
Virginia Wesleyan's trying to keep the accused rapist, known in court papers as Robert Rowe, in the lawsuit. Halprin is trying to get him taken out, blaming only the school for what happened.
It had the highest incidence of sexual assault in the state. Those are hard and fast figures that the school can't run away from. So the environment there is an environment that's out of control.
In its filing, responding to Halprin's motion to drop Robert Rowe, the school says it is not to blame, Rowe's to blame. That state law says a person, the school, cannot be held responsible for criminal acts of a third party. If in fact Rowe did it, he should be held responsible. And Virginia Wesleyan has no first-hand knowledge of what happened. Why shouldn't Rowe be in the suit?
He doesn't have any money, so that's not really going to help us very much. Having him in a lawsuit really distracts from the school's responsibility in this matter. The school's already determined that he's responsible.
We've uncovered this transcript from the Community Arbitration Board that would end up expelling Robert Rowe, who says what happened was consensual. He offers to pay the victim's medical expenses, saying, "I felt sorry and I didn't mean for that to happen. Accidents do happen." Robert Rowe also wrote Jane Doe a letter, writing, "I hope you can believe me when I say I never had any intention of hurting you, making you feel uncomfortable or taking advantage of you. I was just a guy who thought I had gotten lucky with a nice, beautiful girl. I did not realize that nice, beautiful girl was not feeling the same way." Halprin concludes all these statements from Robert Rowe as
it's consciousness of guilt, but that doesn't even begin to approach what's happened to her.
Wesleyan is also under fire for changing Robert Rowe's transcript from why he left the school from expelled to withdrawn. Halprin calls it appalling that, in his words, the school was afraid his parents might bring action against the school. Only after the reason for leaving the school did Robert Rowe get into another school to finish his education. We have posted documents from this case online, including the full letter of apology from Robert Rowe to Jane Doe. I'm Andy Fox, 10 on your side.